Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing an all signs reading one by one, all the 12 zodiac signs. I'll try to read whatever comes out for each sign. It could be related to love, it could be related to money, it could be related to anything. Whatever messages want to come out, I'll try and read one by one. You don't have to go through the entire video. You can see your placements. If you want to see by your sun, moon, rising, you can see. It'll be time stamped in the description box as well as the pinned comments. You can just go through the description box and check the timestamp, and then just click on the timestamp and go towards your reading. So without wasting too much time, I will start with Aries. But before that, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you like this form of reading. So yeah, thank you. And let's move on to Aries. From whatever I see, that there is going to be some kind of a wish fulfillment that is going to be there in your life. Soon you will have a lot of happiness. You will be successfully celebrating a victory in terms of your work. I see a lot of collaboration that is happening in work. There has been a lot of turmoil that is happening in your life in general, and you're feeling a little bit worked up because of that. You need to strategize your moves. You need to make sure you're planning well, so that you're able to stay 5 steps ahead. But there is a need to balance. Okay, so if you've been working a lot, you need to take breaks. If you have been drinking a lot, smoking a lot, or doing some kind of toxic intake, or eating too much food, sleeping late, being a bit, or being a lot on social media or something, I think you need to cut down on it. And you will see that there is a lot of successful victories that are coming in your life. I also feel that you have an unhealthy attachment to somebody, and it's just some kind of an obsession which is making you overthink a lot. And it's a unhealthy toxic attachment which you have. Okay, or you're very attracted to somebody. Okay, and but you should focus a lot on your independence, your money, because I think your career will bring about some very good changes. And you need to be a bit balanced in your approach in general. I also feel that connect a lot with nature, and you do not have the strength right now. You need to make sure that you're putting yourself in healthy habits, or you're trying to balance yourself out, so that you are not burning out, first thing. And you're attracting the right kind of things for you, because I think your energy is a bit low at this point of time. And you need to work on your energy cleansing aura. You need to stop and cut off from people, things, situations that are not serving you for your highest good. Also, stop, at least for now, stop over usage of intoxications, because it's having a very bad effect on your body, your mind, your soul. Okay, so hold on. And don't be obsessively drinking, or obsessively smoking, or obsessively using intoxication, because it's costing you at this point of time. Okay, a balanced approach towards life in general is required, and I feel that things will come for you in place. So yeah, I hope you like these messages. See you in the next reading. Bye. Audience, from what I see, is that you will be in a better situation in terms of your money. So money is looking very bright, it's looking very beautiful. Your health is looking a bit better. Okay, so you're going to feel good, you are going to improve in your health zone. The things that were causing you stress, worry, which were going in loops and circles, and things were not feeling good, somewhere rest is required. So I feel that you need to relax, you need to take regular breaks. Okay, include spirituality in your day-to-day activities. Okay, connect to the higher self, meditate. Okay, because there is two cards which are telling me the same message. Okay, so take regular breaks and meditate and ground yourself. Your stress will decrease. Okay, there is a lot of fire and passion that you have, there is a lot of creativity, there's a lot of positivity you have. Okay, that will get restored if you focus a bit on yourself. Okay, so don't dim your inner light because somebody said something. I don't know why I got this message, but I just said it. Work in partnership, so that winning becomes easy. Okay, that is one of the messages which I have. Work in partnership, you will have a lot of success. Okay, There will be a lot of successful completions, closures to your projects. The victories will be in your hands. You will be communicating a lot back and forth with long distance people, and you will have enough that you can share, okay. uh, but just don't be very burdened and bogged down. Let the situation unfold naturally. And I see a lot of success, and I see a lot of celebrations that are going to come, okay, in this 1 month or so. I feel that, if you're traveling, it will be very successful. If you're looking out for a job, you will find one soon. If you're looking out for getting married, I see a earth sign person, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, uh, or having a major earth placement, somebody who's very grounded, who's very loving, who's very nurturing, entering your life. And there could be a age difference between you. There will be a lot of exchange of fiery messages, passionate messages between you and this person. And yeah, you would be giving a lot of love in this situation, and there will be a lot of love in this situation. So yeah, these were the messages for you, Taurus. I hope you like the reading. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and see you in the next reading. Bye. Theme continues. So Gemini, I think your money is looking awesome, okay. Your money is looking awesome. Like Taurus, Gemini, your money is also looking very good, okay. So you're thinking about long term investments. You're thinking about you know uh, what you need to do, how you need to plan, okay. So what I feel is that if you are looking to invest in some business, or um, you are looking for some kind of a money or loan, I think things will be in your favor, and you will get the monetary help you need, okay. Also, justice will be on your side. So if you are going through some kind of a legal matter, I think justice will be in your favor. In case if you're not going through any kind of legal matters, in general, if there is some kind of injustice in any kind of a situation that has happened with you, I think you will get some kind of a justice. And a woman who is very intuitive around you, it could be a mother, a sister, or anybody who's intuitive, you will benefit from the advice of that woman. And she could be even a lover, okay. She's very intuitive and gifted, and maybe the advice from her helps you in some way. uh, Whatever effort you're putting in right now, to make a successful venture into something, will pay you back, and you will get the prize from the universe, okay. So universe will give you blessings, and those blessings will be in terms to money, finance, business. So improvement, okay, if of your status in general, okay. I see a lot of luxuries being attracted to you, like you might purchase something very luxurious, okay. So you will feel very abundant, okay. And if there is some kind of politics that is going around you, in your office, in your environment in general, at home, and I think it's time you take a stand for yourself, okay. Don't burn down, and don't you know just take a stand for yourself. You don't need to be rude, but just take a stand for yourself in that kind of a situation, okay. So yeah, I hope you like this reading. Thank you, and see you in the next reading. Bye. Moving on to the sign Cancer. So Cancer, there is some kind of a good news and some kind of a bad news, okay. And majorly it looks good, but still I will tell you the message, okay. So in some areas of your life, there is going to be a lot of positivity that is going to get restored. If you're looking out for some new projects, clients, etc., you will find success. If you're looking out for relationship victories, sooner or later you will find a commitment, okay. uh, you need to take regular breaks, okay. You need to sit with yourself, think, contemplate, and then move towards things, okay. So first discover yourself, understand a few things about yourself, your expectations, and then move to find that. Things which do not have a proper foundation might fizzle out, okay. So it could be anything, it could be a relationship, it could be a job, it could be a sudden bad news, which comes to you. And it is just that, um, don't feel broken about anything, okay. So I would just suggest that work on your foundations instead, and get yourself back on track. This break from something that you have, right, work on yourself, bring out the best version of yourself, and the universe will support you, so you will get a lot of guidance from your guides. Okay, you will get some kind of a mentor that will help you get out of a struggling situation, and there is light at the end of the tunnel. Okay, so you will be moving into calmer waters. Maybe it is looking chaotic at this present moment, but trust me when I say that positivity is going to get restored. And those people who are looking for some kind of matrimony offers, or some kind of a commitment, might see something panning out this month. Okay, uh, health related things will start to improve. Just work on your medical checkups, your life, your your fire element. Okay, work on your fire element, and I think you will see a better health that is coming up for you. Meditate, ground yourself. Okay, and the card believe in your magic card says that you've earned all your strips. So basically, whatever victories and successes that are coming to your life will feel very good, because you've really worked hard for each penny. Okay, you worked till the last penny. Okay, so this, and also your intuition will be working and guiding you towards a lot of success, happiness, and victories. And it will guide you even in the times where you have negative situations going on around you. Those will be some kind of signs that you get, some kind of messages that you feel in your heart, and it will help you and guide you through struggles, and it will help you create the best version of yourself. So there is a lot of positivity. Even if there is chaos in your life at this point of time, just take it one day at a time, and you will see a lot of improvement that is coming up to you. So keep up your hopes. Don't feel hopeless at this point of time. If there has been a difficult situation, just gather the strength. Depend and rely on support around you. If you need some kind of medical support, also go for it. Go for therapies if you need. If there is some kind of a higher struggle, there is some kind of a complicated situation, go for therapy. Maybe that helps you out. Okay, so yeah, these were the messages for you, Cancer. I hope you like this reading. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next reading. Bye. Hi Leos, you guys are the first sign who have a shouting love message. Okay, so recently, if you've gone through a difficult situation in your love, where there is ghosting, where there is a little bit of a distance, a timeout between you and a lover, and you're feeling very bored, you're feeling like lonely, you're feeling that there's no way out in your life, in your love life, and you feel that fortune has suddenly deserted you. That's not true. Or there is some kind of a like self love situation, or a self love is required at this point of time. There's a lesson related to self love. Okay, so whatever situation has happened, okay, is it pushing you towards self love? Okay, uh, see, a lot of creativity will be you know returned back to your life. I also feel that passion will be restored back in your life. You will be looking up soon. Okay, if things are not in your favor, you will be having things going in your favor eventually. So you will be present at the right time, speaking to the right people, doing the right thing, and the outcomes will automatically turn in your favor. So what right now looks a little bit you know off, and you feel burdened or overwhelmed or lonely, I see that situation improving. So there will be a lot of changes that will come to you. Communications will improve. There will be a lot of portals will be opening for you. Commitment seems to be on the horizon. Okay, so there will be some kind of inheritance that you might get. I see you attending some kind of a party, some kind of an event very soon. For the time till you're kind of feeling low, for that time I feel that you need to spend a little bit more time in nature. Go for walks. Okay, just don't hit the gym all the time, or do a little bit of yoga. Connect with nature in some way. Go out for a drive. Go just go in the forest somewhere. Just give yourself that day out where you're with yourself and feeling very happy. Okay, and there will be a lot of growth, love, and peace, and passion that will get restored in your life. If you're looking out for pregnancy related news, I see that that will be improving, or you might hear some good news related to that. Your family dynamics in general will be improving a lot. You will also get some kind of a guidance from some kind of a mentor, okay, and things will be very fortunate for you. So yeah, I think these were the messages that I have for you, Leo. I hope you like them. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let me know your feedback. Thank you, and see you in the next reading. Bye. Hi Virgos, these are the messages for you for this month. So what I feel that you will be getting a lot of offers, a lot of messages, but you are in your hermit mode. You're thinking, being alone, spending some time with yourself, going within, looking out for some answers, seeking some answers within yourself. If there has been a situation that has ended, you need to unplug and relax first thing. So if you are feeling very overwhelmed about something that has recently happened, just go within, meditate, contemplate, look for answers, okay, and be in this self love energy, okay. Because there is somebody who's thinking about you, okay. So it could be related to love, it could be related to something else, but there is somebody who's thinking about you, whom you have detached from, okay. So you need to relax first thing. You need to chill, and I see that maybe the situation might restart, okay. Or you might attract something new in your life which makes you feel emotionally very fulfilled. uh, those people who are already in a relationship, there's going to be a lot of passion that is going to restore. You might end up buying a vehicle for yourself, okay. If you're looking to buy something new, you might buy a car, okay. You might get a lot of offers, okay. Whatever type of offers you're looking, which are emotionally fulfilling for you, you might get a lot of offers by the universe might offer you help in some regard, okay. And I see you moving forward fearlessly this time. After that self realization that you've had, right, you will be moving forward fearlessly. It could be with this person, it could be without this person, but you will be moving on and you will be moving forward fearlessly, okay. You are seeking some kind of help, advice, or some kind of guidance, and you're relying on yourself, you're relying on your inner guidance for a situation. I see a lot of romance and passion that is going to get restored for you, and there will be a lot of exchange of romantic messages between you and somebody, okay. So yeah, these were the messages for you, Virgo. I hope you like them. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next reading. Bye. So hi Libra. Uh, so what I see for you is that there will be a lot of options that are going to open up for you. This could be in terms to love, work, business, finance, anything. Whatever you're manifesting, it will be opening up for you. There will be a lot of avenues opening up for you. But you know, not everything that you think is going to be right, because there's going to be a state of confusion for you. So sometimes you might like certain things about a certain option, sometimes you might like a certain thing about some other options. You need to rely on your intuition to get the right answer, okay. There will be a lot of competition this month. I see you competing a lot. There will be a situation which could involve some kind of fighting, competition, but you will be very victorious because you are a go-getter and a self-starter today. In this energy which you are in currently, I think you will end up resolving any kind of problems that you have, even though there is conflict around you, okay. I see that somebody is thinking about you, and it could be one of those options, that somebody is thinking about you. It could be a love situation where there was equal give and take, or there could be equal give and take even now. uh, it could be that this person has a attitude, okay. Maybe the person is very successful but has some kind of a bad attitude. Whatever business venture you might start this month, right, you will be very successful because it will grow into something very good. So for your business, I feel this is going to be a very positive time. For your money, it is going to be a very positive time, and a soulmate connection is in and around you. So if you are fighting a soulmate, or if there's some kind of separation, no contact, or something like that, I think maybe you or that person is thinking, and but I think you're keeping your options open as well, okay, because you're in the fiery zone. You're keeping your options open. Even though that person is your soulmate, still you would want to check what the universe has in store for you. So yeah, that's a very positive thing to do. It's okay. So yeah, these were the messages, Libra, which I had for you. I hope you like this message, and do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next reading. Bye. Hi Scorpio. From what I see, in your situation, you're trying to claim your independence. Okay. So I think you're walking away from things that are not serving. Okay. There could be some kind of unhealthy attachments that you have. It could be related to some kind of toxic behaviors, unhealthy attachments which you have with people, places, situations. But you're manifesting better things in your life. Okay. You're manifesting independence, you're manifesting growth, you're manifesting a soulmate if you are. And I see, you're manifesting healing, and you're manifesting a break. Okay. You are looking for moving on to bigger and better things. You need to detach from people, situations, and things that are not serving you for your highest good, because it's bringing you down. It's leeching on your energy and bringing it down. You need to take a control of your own narrative. Okay. So from this card, I feel that you know what is toxic, you know what is not toxic. Okay. Things that are not good for you, you know the things that are good for you. So it's time to put your foot down, and to be in a place where you can help yourself to manifest better. Now for example, if you know that drinking can cost you a liver damage, and because you have an unhealthy attachment to or a drinking problem or an addiction, it is going to affect your health if you continue to maintain toxic behaviors, or to maintain some kind of you know uh, behaviors that will affect you in the future. So what I feel is that you need to walk away from doing such things regularly. Break free from that cycle which is holding you back. And I see a lot of healing that is coming for you. Your heart chakra is opening up to bigger and better relationships. Your relationships in general will be better. And there are some changes that are coming to you, some cycles closing off and some new cycles beginning. uh, you could be connecting with somebody at a long distance. Okay. And there's a lot of love in this situation. And there's a lot of attraction in that situation. But you will be claiming your power back. Okay. And you will be healing. Okay. I feel that you will be healing, and releasing a toxic situation from your life out. you know could be a habit, could be a situation, could be a person in general. You'll be actually releasing, and you will be breaking free this time, because you have a realization. Okay, about something, you have a realization. Hold on to that thought. Okay. So wait for your turn. That's the message I have for you. So I hope you like this reading, Scorpios, and thank you, and see you in the next reading. Bye. Jeez, this is the reading for you. I see that there are some changes, some travel, some kind of a project that you are communicating, pitching for. There's going to be some kind of fresh new start. But what I see is that you don't need to take any kind of risks or risky behavior at this point of time. Listening to you people, your loved ones, is very important. Don't be very cutthroat, or just don't be very rude in your conversations. Okay. I feel that take mindful decisions, but without being rude. Okay. It's okay to be decisive, it's okay to be authoritative, it's okay, but it's not okay to be rude. It's not okay to lash out people. Okay. Like, there's going to be a lot of travel. You might end up pursuing a new project, and this would cause a lot of improvement in your finances. uh, you emotionally are at a place that you can take care of yourself. Okay. And you don't need anybody to fix you. Okay. You're good enough, you're bold, you're happy, you're abundant. Okay, at this point of time, and you have everything within you to understand or fix your traumas or wounds. Okay. And universe has your back. Okay. So just do not engage into any kind of risky behaviors. Okay. And for family, I see a lot of goodness, a celebratory time coming up for you. Those people who are looking for pregnancy related news, you might hear something good. there could be some person, whom you're very back and forth with, and maybe that person might re-enter in your life. uh, so there are a lot of periods of back and forth with this person, and I think things will start improving, and there will be a lot of happiness that will be restored in your life. So if you feel broken about a situation related to love, feel that you will step up in that zone, and there'll be a lot of happy family vibes that you will feel with your person. And I see that a lot of things will fix within itself, because you are fixing and changing certain aspects about your own self. Okay, so I see a lot of improvement that is coming towards you. I hope you like these messages. Thank you, and see you in the next one. Bye. So, Capricorn, like, these cards make me whistle. Okay, what's going on with you guys? Okay, um okay, there is somebody in your energy who is exactly an energy match. Okay, Capricorns, if you are looking for your partner in crime, you might attract somebody soon. There is a woman, apart from that person, who is very intuitive, and guidance from her will help you in some way. Okay, so you need to seek out for guidance from elder women in your house, or elder sisters, or any intuitive person. You When you take guidance from that person, you will not remain in your head all the time, and things will improve. I also feel that either you need to apologize, or there could be somebody who is a younger water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, that might apologize to you. uh, the situation has been a lot of back and forth, and there were things that you did not know about the situation. You will be closing out some cycles internally within your mind, and you need to encourage yourself and bring yourself back to normal. You need to paint the sun back in your sky. Okay, so that's the message I have for you. uh, you know but there was a shady ass person, who was bringing or dimming your light down, and I feel that person is going to apologize to you very soon. Don't be too much in your head, don't run narratives in your head. Okay, it's not your fault. Okay, yeah, but be very discerning with that person. Okay, like, because that person is still very sneaky. Okay, sneaky and deceptive. Okay, so be very mindful of shady people around you. People showing a part of yourself and doing the exact opposite. uh, Use your intuition to your advantage in such situations. Okay, there's a lot of competition in and around you. There are people who are looking at you in this competition. Okay, so play your cards correctly, use your power to your advantage, and you have to initiate a lot more. Okay, be on, like, on the top of your game. Okay, um, take initiatives, take action, and start, um, be on track with your goals. Okay, and I see that a lot of success will come through. There will be a lot of breakthrough with that will come through. I also feel that there is an office situation that has these sneaky and shitty people who are plotting, planning, and there's a lot of back and forth with them, and you're in a head a lot because of that. I see the situation eventually will be improving. Okay, right now you might feel a little bit burdened about this situation, but eventually I see your money coming up, and you need to seek certain answers within yourself. Okay, if certain things have not worked out, you need to go within yourself and seek for answers. Okay, first you need to detach from that situation, go within, take a day off, go within yourself, look for answers within yourself, and come out fresh in that situation with a fresh perspective. Okay, so these were the messages which I had for you, Capricorn. I hope you like these messages. Thank you, and see you in the next reading. Bye. Aquarius, so from your situation, I feel that you have been overthinking a situation a lot. I feel you've really worked hard. But you are kind of step by step building for your future. So Aquarius, what I feel is that you're planning, plotting, and step by step putting your cards for your future. But in this process, you are freaking out. You're losing sleep. You're punishing yourself, your health. You need to rest. Okay, the cards are shouting at me, you need to rest, you need to relax, you need to take breaks. you are very back and forth in your mind about a situation. Okay, you're indecisive, but somewhere down the line you need to use your intuition will be very strong this month. And also one important message, that you will get some kind of victories. You will be earning every penny of it. Okay, so whatever victory you're going to get this month, you will get some kind of a message about a project, a successful completion of a project, or you might get victories, accolades, and some kind of a major win in some kind of a project. Okay, you will back that, and it's well deserved, well earned victory. This is not a time to jump to conclusions. This is not a time to jump into something new, or wait for your turn. I said this to Scorpio, I'm saying this to you as well. Wait for your turn. Okay, so there will be a time for changes that will come later, but wait for your you know and do not self sabotage any kind of opportunities that you're getting. Okay, uh, don't self sabotage anything that is coming your way. Okay, so yeah, I hope you like the reading, Aquarius. I think these were the messages overall that I had for you guys. I also have one last message. Okay, if it is regarding a love situation which you have sabotaged, and you're freaking out in your mind, you're in two minds, I think you need to take a very traditional approach instead of being very passionate. Just being very passionate, I think you need to have a very traditional and a well balanced approach in this situation, and things will start to be in your favor. Okay, so yeah, now finally, thank you and see you in the next one. Bye. The last sign, Pisces. What a sign. So what I see for you, Pisces, that there is going to be a lot of traveling which you are going to experience this month. uh, you are in a journey of healing at this point of time, and your creative abilities will be very enhanced. If you are delivering some kind of a project, you will see a lot of success, victory, abundance that is coming towards you. You will have enough to give. Okay, uh, there will be a peaceful resolution about a situation. You will be partying, enjoying, and going out with friends a lot. I feel that a new door to happiness, healing, and realizing a lot about yourself during this journey. you know uh, so this is a reading where somebody is coming out into a self realization of what they want, or of their creative abilities. uh, you know uh, if you are looking for pregnancy related news, this month you might hear something. If there is some kind of a conflict in your work, I see that things resolving out and things panning out in your favor. Okay, if you are looking out for some stuck money, I see that there will be some kind of that portal will open for money. And there will be challenges across the way, but you will have a, like, you will move forward. Okay, you will move forward in spite of those challenges that are coming to your way. You will break and move forward. Okay, so there is no stop energy, there is only go 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 energy. Okay, which I feel from this reading. Okay, there's a lot of go 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 energy. Okay, and if somebody is dimming your life, somebody is talking mean shit to you, trust me, don't dim your light for that person. Okay, if somebody is really talking mean shit to you, don't dim your light, heal yourself out of that situation, and you will see a lot of things improving in your life overall. Okay, so yeah, these were the messages for all of y'all. All the signs I've covered, I'll timestamp the reading. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe. And thank you, and see you in the next reading. Bye.